Boom shakalaka, 100% chance of recession, 3 bullish charts for Bitcoin, and why we are all in a lot earlier than anyone thinks. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including 3 bullish charts and why we are still super early. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed 51, same as we've been for the last week, just going sideways there. The overall market's down 2% today. Bitcoin at 27,094, Ethereum at 1868, BNB at 307, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 88 cents, and Solana $20.64. And the top coins today based on AI would be Cosmos Hub, Lido DAO, Phantom, Zilliqa, and Caspa. And you can check out Token Metrics for yourself. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin sitting between the 50 and 100-day moving average right now, still sitting on top of this downtrend. As long as the price doesn't go much lower than where it is right now, about 27.4, well, we should find support on top of there to potentially launch off and continue this larger bullish trend. That being said, right now, leading economic indicators are contracting at levels that have a 100% hit rate for recessions. If we see this dotted red line right here, consistent with recessions in prior decades when this hits the line, well, guess what? We hit that line, suggesting if the recession hasn't started yet, it is approaching. That being said, things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Bullish engulfing candle, where we have a bearish candle followed by a larger bullish candle, a red candle followed by a green candle, and the green candle is bigger than the red candle. Bitcoin's well on its way to close a 6-month bullish engulfing candle. When it's happened in the past cycles, bear market was over 1 month left before closing. You can see in previous bear markets, the bear market was over when this happened. Right now, it appears like it's about to happen. We still have 1 more month until that candle closes. But you know what candle is about to close? How about the monthly MACD? About to flip bullish in 2 days. That would be a very bullish signal, my friends. Or how about this one? Start of a new bull market. May is about to end, and Bitcoin is still holding its 38.2 fib retracement level. It looks promising because each time Bitcoin held that 38.2 fib, that was the beginning of the bull market. Now, it did take a few months after that in 2015 for the price to really start rocketing off, but should we find support there right around $27,000? Well, that would be a new base camp for Bitcoin. We are in the only up phase before halving, 55 bars before the halving. It's the only up phase has only been at this level 3 times in history. And take a look at what Bitcoin price did in those time periods. Only up territory. We're in for some more only up territory. We do have a busted rising wedge pattern forming on the 3-day candles, having the same chart pattern as 2012 that we see right here, with a rising wedge, broke out, fell back down, and then found support just at the tip before taking off, going up massively. This is over a 20x that the price went up at that time. Well, take a look at this. Rising wedge, broke out, falling back down. Should we break out of there once again? Man, a 20x would be pretty darn incredible at this moment. Right now, about back in February, so that was 3 months ago now, Bitcoin had a 1-week cross of the Gunnar EMA. Well, guess what? It just had the 2-week cross happening right now, more significant than the 1 week. If we take a look back in 2015, in 2019, this was a very bullish cross. Not only that, we have this nice cup pattern. Looks like the launching point for Bitcoin. And if you think it's over already and Bitcoin's going back down to $10,000, well, take a look at this. The Bitcoin realized hodl waves show beautifully just how early we are in the cycle. The curve is starting to shift as we leave the cycle bottom in the past and bring on newer holders. A powerful bull run lies ahead if you can wait for it. Bearish sentiment cannot survive. We can see there are these dips in the hodl waves that go down and then come back up. Well, this has gone down, starting to come back up, beginning of the curve, but still has a lot higher to go, meaning the Bitcoin price has a lot higher to go. And it could go absolutely insane in terms of US dollars because, as postulated here by Arthur Hayes, Bitcoin over oil is a better benchmark to measure net worth and Bitcoin than just USD because they're just printing USD or it's losing its value at massive rates. Well, oil may not be. So if we take a look at Bitcoin USD on a logarithmic scale, we can see nice progression for where we are. Again, we are in a trough. Great time to buy. Currently, 306 barrels of oil per Bitcoin. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.